Consistency is the key. That's the key, consistency. Check it out, what are we doing now after this coffee, and stay tuned. That's war, my buddy. You know, he fucked up that bridge. He attacked that bridge in Miami.
Yeah, I'm naming it Bella Dawn. My sister's name is Dawn. Bella, beautiful new day. I know it's a beautiful new, because my last boat, you know, is gone.
It's beautiful, nice, man. I like the shape. I like
beautiful.
Sexy boat, huh?
It is sexy.
Inside, wait till you see the inside. The inside's the best thing, except for it's all messy, but.
Now I need something. Look at it. Hello. Yes, I'm Peck from Serbia.
Serbia? Oh, Igor from Ukraine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Come up. I need you to see.
Yeah, you gotta. Yeah, check it out.
We need to. We need to do this.
Be careful.
Oh my
Careful
fingers.
because construction area.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
We're in another city. Okay, I don't know where to go now. A lot of boats here. What's up? You making video? That's war, my buddy. You know, he fucked up that bridge. He attacked that bridge in Miami.
Yeah, I go
he
around striking bridges.
He cut
That's
him.
what I do.
Yeah.
I strike bridges with my sailboat.
That's what you do.
That's what the fake news said.
Oh, really? What they said?
They said, boater strikes the 79th Street Bridge in Miami, closing down traffic.
No, we're
It was
stuck.
cold. I was late getting back from work. Because this guy's going around striking bridges. Well, I show you. Yeah, this is Bella Dawn. She, I was just talking with the vinyl lady. Oh, that's my new anchor. Rockna Vulcan.
Hi, Rockna Vulcan.
Hello,
Hi, Rockna Vulcan.
Yeah. That's a cool anchor.
Hey, this is our baby now.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Saved
me. Yeah, I know.
That saved
I
me.
know. So this one were in a hurricane, huh? What hurricane?
It was the one that hit South Carolina this last season. 80-mile-an-hour winds held my.
Okay, it's not heavy.
It's 55 pounds.
Yeah,
you're just too strong. That's the problem.
Yeah, what is
Yeah, but anyways,
they call him an animal. Yeah, you know that.
Yeah, the animal.
Yeah.
I like that anchor, but I have no place to put it. Those are amazing.
I have this, but
Yeah.
it's bad for grass. For sand is great.
Well, they're
for
all
grass,
bad.
you need to push them in.
Yeah. I think they're all bad for grass. That one will move on grass too. You have a hard time setting that. That's the way Nassau. It's all seagrass, and like I had to get down there and wedge it in.
Look at that shit.
Oh, all over the place. Yeah, all over the place. You see really cool ones. Yeah, keep it. All of those through holes are brand new.
This is not new. This is not new.
No?
No. Maybe the outside is new, but maybe a couple of years old.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Yeah,
that's
not
what I mean.
new.
That's new.
But yeah, maybe when they did the bottom thing.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good.
Yeah, it's not gonna move. Yeah, they took really good care of it.
Beautiful boat.
Yeah, changing the name. No.
What's the name of the boat?
It's, well, right now,
Okay,
it's
but
Otto Viejo.
Viaje.
Another adventure, I think. Something like that. But I can't
New
even
name?
pronounce it. So I'm like, well, so I'm naming it Bella Dawn. My sister's name is Dawn. Bella, beautiful new day. I know it's a beautiful new because my last boat, you know, is gone. So
hey, you will need to change the cutlass bearing.
No, that's all new.
Look.
Yeah, it's moving a little.
Huh?
A little. Huh?
Don't find more than he needs.
Quit looking at stuff. I got enough to do.
Yeah, beautiful, nice, man. I like the shape. I like
beautiful.
Sexy boat, huh?
It is sexy.
Inside, wait till you see the inside. The inside's the best thing, except for it's all messy. But
now I need something just to clean. See the stay lock is new. Beautiful, man. To change this, hey.
Stop finding space.
No. Look how they rusty.
Yeah, well,
probably broken. If I check better, I will see that it's broken. Probably this thing.
I did see on it. I'll show you on the deck. I found.
What? For what?
I don't know. For whatever.
You will never remove.
I might.
No. And I like the boat.
Love it.
Yeah.
Isn't it cute?
Very cute.
It's the cutest boat ever. Like, if hobbits sailed, they'd sail a Baba.
It's exactly what I imagine, boat like this. It's cute.
Can I come in?
Yeah, come on in.
Okay, let's go in, Ella.
I got a lot of fish on, but trying to pull it out of the water while you're underway is hard. And they'll jump. As soon as you start to pull them out of the water, they'll jump. So now I have a gaff. Where's the gaff?
Yeah.
Oh, right here it is. There.
With a hook? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gaff.
Yeah. Hit him in the head.
Well, or, you know, I don't know. You got to get them up on the deck
I know.
so they don't have a chance to jump. It's hard. It's easier I had a barracuda on the hook.
And that's roasted, yeah.
That was a big fish. We chopped it up and ate it. Yeah. They're a little fishy. Kind of oily. It's a little oily. But not bad. It was pretty tasty.
You know what you can do when you hate that? You can drop it in the milk.
Yeah.
Drop it in the milk.
What was your biggest challenge with other boats? Why you so disappointed with the Hunter?
With Artemis? The thing about Artemis was because it's a coastal cruiser, it was super fast. It was fast. That was great. Because I was way faster than any time I buddy boated with people. I'd leave them way behind. I couldn't even see them anymore.
That's Hunter 376.
376. Super fast, and it had a lot of room in it. Tons of room. I was thinking about putting a basketball court play basketball. It just had so much room. It was like, it was almost the size of a 50-foot boat on the inside.
And the cockpit was
it was huge. Yeah, the outside was huge. It was great for entertaining. I had 10 people sitting inside around the table playing cards.
Wow. It was light, yeah?
It was too light. It was too light, which it was light and it set on top of the water, which made it really fast, but not in bad weather. It wasn't good in
blue
bad
water.
And it had a huge sail, the main sail, and it was fractional rig. So it was like, it was a sporty boat, really sporty. It was great in nice weather in the Atlantic, lots of bad weather, and it happens like this. I never ever once went out when I thought it was going to be bad weather. You know, I always went out when it was supposed to be 14,
and then
18 knots maybe, and then it's 30, 40 knots, you know, with gusts of, you know, who knows what, and it comes from nowhere. Which made me really mad at the apps on my phone and that. I'm like, you lied to me. You risked my life. Such a bad reputation.
The mast for a dinghy?
Yeah. That's a lot of fun. Sailing the dinghy. That's fun.
Ah, that dinghy is cool.
Yeah.
What's the name?
Bob.
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 planchon. We're back.
Hello.
Yes, I'm Peck from Serbia.
Serbia? Oh, Igor from Ukraine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Ella.
This is custom boat, huh?
Yeah.
Who built it?
From Quebec.
Correct, huh?
Yeah. From Quebec. Engineer from Quebec.
Yeah.
Igor, yeah.
Okay. And where did you came from? Where?
I bought from here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
From this place,
Okay.
yeah, but from Quebecois.
Okay.
Yeah, I met him in Quebec and we come down in Florida.
Okay.
I saw the boat and I bought.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, unique, you see, huh?
Nice.
Unique
Cool.
boat is like everybody. Oh, what kind of boat is this one? I don't know.
It's cool. Very nice though.
A lot of work, a lot of
I know. And now last 5 months, every day.
Every day,
4 months.
12 hours.
12 hours every day.
Me too.
Today I'm making break.
But before it was just few hours, like
Huh?
3. Before wasn't like
Yeah,
that.
before it was like I work in a company till 5, and then I go on a boat and work till 8, 9, 10, 11. Depends.
Me too. I finish everything in Montreal. I finish my job, everything. I moved here with all my stock and I
changed my keel. You see, this is my new keel. And
That's
I
new
started-
keel.
Yeah, old keel, it was retractable, go up, go down. You see the stock here? It's all metal, old keel. It's my old keel. I cut it piece by piece. It's only 3 weeks I cut in my old keel. And I cannot work with the plasma, something like this, because it's
So
dangerous.
tell me, if you cut the keel,
Yeah,
how you reduce now the weight balance ratio?
because I have old frame inside. You can come and go up. I'm gonna show you.
It looks cool with that.
Ella,
Yeah.
come up. I need you to
Yeah,
see
you gotta,
this.
check it out.
We need to. We need to do this.
You gotta start.
Construction area and everything dangerous. Be careful. Construction area.
Don't worry, man. We are Serbians, you know, like.
Old keel. It was all system like this, bigger system like this,
Okay.
and keel.
Now
go
you will
up.
have fixed.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You see what I cut it? I cut it fucking 4 plays, and I cannot work in with the plasma, with something like this because dangerous. Epoxy.
Yeah, it will
epoxy.
burn out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I cut them with the grinder, smaller, bigger, with the scissor.
Yeah.
Not a lot of space like this.
Yeah.
3 weeks I cut them piece by piece.
So tell me one thing.
yeah.
Why you punishing yourself? We all do the same shit. Why you know?
No, I don't know.
We're all fucked up.
Maybe.
Yeah. You know?
Maybe.
That's what's happening. We're all fucked up in the head, man.
Yeah.
I'm fucking 2 years in a fucking.
I love the shape. Look at this.
Problem, it was like
It's like a
blocked
space
this position.
shuttle.
Last owner, even he didn't put grass inside.
Never?
Never.
That's what's happening.
Fucking 5 years, 5 last years, he was blocking like this.
Okay.
Do you see? Oh, everything rusted.
Yeah.
I spent only today to take out this peanut.
Yeah.
Today, with the hammer.
That's hard work, man. I know that. That's not for pussies.
Exactly.
Yeah. Don't do this if you're a pussy. Don't do this.
Never.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.